Is it possible to upload a sitemap to your Google Sites? Yes and no. No, because you can't actually upload an XML sitemap to your Google Sites. Google prevents that. Yes, because you can actually make manually sitemap or index site in your Google Sites, and I will show you exactly how to do this. So just head over to your Google Sites, and then you want to go to Pages, and then you want to make a new page by clicking the plus symbol down in the right corner, and then you want to click new page, and then you want to name it either sitemap or index page. I will just call it sitemap, and then I want to click done, and here I want to insert a text box, and from here you want to click the arrow at the top right corner, and you want to click view published site. And here you want to take each and every page, click the home button, and then you want to copy this URL, and you want to paste it inside here, and you want to link to it, and you want to do the same with each and every site except for the sitemap. And when that is done, you want to click Pages again, and then you want to click the three dots at the side of where it says sitemap, and here you want to click Hide from Navigation. And then you want to go down to your footer menu, and you want to click Edit Footer. And as you can see, I have a text box here. If you don't have the text box here, you just click Insert, and then you click Text Box. So I'm just going to call this Sitemap, and inside here I want to link to my sitemap. So let's just copy this URL, and now you have a link to your sitemap, so the crawlers will even find it from your home page. And when that is done, you want to click Publish. And the last thing you want to do is to go to your Google Analytics, and then you want to index the sitemap page. You can't add a sitemap to this sitemap tab here, because it isn't the correct format. The format should be XML, and your page is in HTML. So the way to do this is to paste the URL inside this box here, and then you want to click Enter, and URL is not on Google, and then you want to click Request Indexing. And this way you will notify Google that their robots should crawl your index page. So this is really the only way to add an index page or a sitemap. It's not really a sitemap, but it's the only way to do this. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.